still rattled.
I'm still rattled by this
So what
morning.
were you doing this morning? Were you singing?
I was way out of my comfort, zone, singing to the Lord above. It might have been my guilt, thinking I haven't prayed for such a long time.
So it's all coming out.
Maybe that's it. I was punished.
It's all coming out through film.
I was punished. I did ask for help, but maybe because I asked him at the last minute.
So this is the next episode of Confessions on a Train.
What are you going to confess? Let me hear some of your confessions.
So Kristen, what do you think of my version of bifolds?
What? Bifolds? Blinkers. He needs blinkers, not bifolds.
Why do I need blinkers?
No, we're not even going there on that
We're
one.
not going there. So we found something that floats, or a lot of things that float. Isn't that right, Kristen?
That's right. This could be your second home.
So we're on the bikes as usual. Where are we off to now? An airport.
An airport.
How you going there?
I'm getting thirsty.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh, we need some water.
Or something.
There's some water here, Sandpiper Canal.
Thinking of something sparkling.
Oh, something with something with bubbles?
Something with bubbles.
Bubbles would be there. Cheers, Kristen.
Pure brunette, it should say.
Pure
Brunette, not blonde.
So where are we?
We're at the Scarborough Marina, and there must be, I don't know, 400 people here waiting for fish and chips, so we've decided to have a liquid lunch.
So we're talking about something very serious here, commitment.
Commitment. We're committing.
We're off to the next
We're
location. Here is our
Yeah, no. We're going to
here is our form of transport.
Yeah.
We
And
need
here's-
to find a location
Here's the map.
for food.
Can you
food?
see the map? Oh, you can't
There's
really
the
see it, but we're committing to, from this moment on, if we get on our bicycles and head towards
South.
Redcliffe,
If we head south.
we
we
are
are
actually going further and further and further away from our only way of getting back without having to pedal it ourselves.
Yeah.
So once we get to Redcliffe, it's a long way back to Zilmere. Oh no, we can go to
we can go to
Sandgate.
Sandgate.
That's exciting.
And you saw that first. Huh? The excitement. The
We can go to
excitement of
Sandgate.
getting on a train.
And there is a great pub there called the Post Office Hotel. I said it's not as windy as I thought it would be down here.
Windy.
Quite pleasant. Yeah, really, it's quite pleasant. That's probably why so many people are down here enjoying the seashore. The seashells on the seashore.
Demo.
Demo on
what?
possibly our new form of entertainment.
Oh. We are not having Mexican, I'm saying no. Kristen, no.
So if we're not having Mexican, what do you feel like?
I feel like a steak, to be honest, but I could probably compromise for pizza.
Nothing's going to compare to the steak we had last night, baby.
No,
Nothing.
it was fantastic.
Wasn't it?
Because I was just such a good cook, wasn't it? Had nothing to do with the person that marinated it at all.
Oh my God.
But the polenta that went with it.
Oh, tell us about the polenta.
Well, I'm not sure what the ingredients were, but
That's because
fantastic.
maybe that's because I possibly cooked it. Is that right?
You did. Maybe. But you know why it tasted so good?
Because
It's
I
because
know.
the person that put the prosciutto in the little baking dishes
Yeah.
did such a good job of that, so that the flavours could come out of the prosciutto. The assistant chef.
It was the love of the assistant that made it all happen so beautifully.
Absolutely.
I agree with you. Absolutely 100%.
Glad you agree with me.
Alright, I'm going to have to stop now because this is hard riding with
It
one.
is hard, isn't it? Imagine,
And there's a kid in front of me.
imagine all the movies that I make that someone's going to be holding the camera.
Oh, look at where we are. This is Redcliffe. We're just arriving at Redcliffe. That's the ferry that goes over to Pengaluma. And we're just about to find our next pit stop. Are you still filming?
Hey, are you impressed? What are you impressed with?
Oh, just how lovely it is.
Oh.
It really is peaceful up this way.
Oh. So, what was that about me being a pretty good playmate?
Ah,
What were the things that I do for you?
well, there's
Again,
the one that we can't talk about. But with all the others, you know, like this,
like this.
the surfing, the boating, the dinners in, you know, in the kitchen.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty good at doing the dishes, aren't I?
Yeah, well, you're pretty good at being involved, you know. I love that. I love it.
So we were at Mama's and we're going to have a Siciliano. What do you think about that?
I think it's going to be absolutely delicious, and I'm so glad to be sitting on a nice soft seat.
Nice soft seat.
Yeah, look how beautiful and soft my seat is. It's like compared to my bike.
Compared to the bike, and look at the view that we have. That's the ocean right there. Are we going to have wine, or are we going to have
Oh man,
beer.
there's so much to choose from.
so much to choose?
I can't decide. When I'm hungry and thirsty, I can't decide. What was that? Did you say just then? That
I was just saying, this is a very important thing, discussion that we need to have at this point in time. We had it last night, and
No, you don't
someone
need to
got
go
a
overboard.
Barbie mate out and started to spank me on the bottom.
No, we're not going to record this.
Apparently you can airdrop to me, but I can't airdrop to you. So.
Well, I don't think they used to be like you're dropped. That's what I remember.
So now you just do it by phone across the table.
Yes. I'm just going to text you.
Just send me a message. You sit right beside me. You're dropped. I don't.
Tell me about the time you were dropped.
But she came to her senses.
Are you talking about me? Can you see what I have to put up with? I have to put up with this all the time.
Yeah. She's got to put up with charming humour and laughter.
Yeah, you are
Continuously.
charming. You are charming. Any second photo of me.
So
Thank you.
Kristen just fell off her bike at the traffic lights.
That was embarrassing, right in front of an ambulance.
So I'm a little concerned. Actually, I'm a lot concerned.
He's
So
baiting me
Kristen
again.
has gone to the bar. She's trying to get me drunk. I don't know why. But look what she has done.
Why? He is. He's so much easier to handle when he's drunk.
Nice try. Hey?
So how are you going over there, Mr. Freaking, what do you want to call this thing? What do you want to call this?
We're negotiating.
We're negotiating.
Over
He's stressing out because
who's been
He's under
vaccinated
attack.
and who hasn't been
he's
vaccinated.
under attack.
I'm under attack. And we're negotiating on what we're going to wear to the city.
So far, he's lost his shirt.
And you're sitting there naked.